Ask anyone you know about Tahiti, and chances are they may rattle off a few cliche subjects like beautiful beaches, palm trees, and maybe even romance. They wouldn't be off base. The Tahitian islands in French Polynesia are indeed home to some of the most picturesque beaches on the planet. And perhaps you or someone you know may have had a romantic getaway here. But there's way more to the islands of Tahiti. People live and work here, especially on the main island of Tahiti and the capital city of Papeete. While Papeete won't get confused for New York City anytime soon, it is an urban landscape unlike any other in French Polynesia. In addition to more urban pursuits, what this country turned city boy likes about the main island of Tahiti is that we were just a plane or boat ride away from more rural islands like the atoll of Rangiroa or Fakarava. Yes, I hate tolls too, but trust me, these are different. They're atolls. I'm getting off track. More on that later. All you need to know now is that while Tahiti is romantic, there's also another side of the Tahitian islands. So come with me as I look for love and other pursuits on the islands of Tahiti.
Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for Raw Travel.